Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do my wash day routine and my curly hair routine and how I get my curls to come back to life. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so this is how I'm starting off. My hair is super dry, there's no moisture whatsoever, the curls are no more, and yeah, let's just get into this shower because my hair needs water desperately. Okay, so first I just really soak my hair under the water. Since it is super dry, it just takes a while to absorb all that water. So I'm doing this for a good few minutes. Okay, so I like to start off by going in with my Cowash, and I'm using this one by As I Am. It's the coconut Cowash, and I really just focus that on my roots first, and then I'll take it down to the rest of my hair. And I like to co-wash because it gets rid of some of that build up in your hair. It like breaks it down before you shampoo it. And I also use it to detangle my hair, so you can see that I'm just combing my hair out, starting at the tips and then breaking my way up. And I do this until I can fully run my fingers through it. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And yes, I do break my hair up into two sections. That way it's more manageable. Also, detangling with the co-wash first makes the rest of the process so much easier. Alright, so for shampoo, I'm going to use this one by Carol's Daughter from their Goddess Strength collection. And I'm going to focus that in on the roots of my hair, really going in and getting a deep clean, massaging, scrubbing, anything I have to do to get off that product that I had on previously. And also, this is like the first step to having a really good curly hair day is clean hair. So I'm scrubbing and massaging my hair for a good minute now, and I just do this until I feel like it's clean and I got all the dirt and residue out. And then I go ahead and rinse it out, and I make sure that I get all the soap out and there's no suds left over. Alright, so moving on to conditioner, I'm going to use this one from the same line by Carol's Daughter, the Goddess Strength. And I really be going in with the conditioner, or if you do a hair mask, which I didn't do one for this routine, but those two things are going to be your best friend to having moisturized hair. So yeah, I do focus my conditioner more so on the ends of my hair, and then I'll take it up to my roots. But after that, I just let it sit in for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll take it down and do a cool rinse. So after washing and conditioning your hair, it should feel nice and clean, super moisturized. If not, I would suggest going in with a deep conditioner again or some type of hair mask. Yeah, but it should feel soft and lightweight, and that should be a good base for the rest of the process. Alright, so now my hair is sectioned into 4 sections, and I'm going to start with my leave-in conditioner. I'm using this one by Aunt Jackie's, and I'm going to detangle my hair, which it isn't bad since I detangled it with the Cowash. And I'm not shy with the leave-in because my hair will become dry quickly, so I make sure I put enough in there for when I'm ready to style it. Now let's move on to styling my hair. The products I'll be using is this mousse from The Do. I'm also going to use 2 different styling creams from Miss Jessie's, which they are very similar to each other. I also wanted a little color on the end, so I'm going to use this color gel from As I Am. Okay, so first I went in with the mousse, and my hair was getting a little bit dry right here, so I just sprayed it with some water. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Feather Soft Curls cream, and I'm going to use the praying hands method to apply it to my hair, just making sure every strand has product on it. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Pillow Soft Curls cream, and this one is very similar to the Feather Soft Curls. They do achieve the same effect of having fluffy curls. So I'm going to do the praying hand method again, and I'm also going to be scrunching just to help that curl to really form. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this color gel to apply color to the ends of my hair, just to give my curls a little bit more pizzazz. But you do have to apply a good amount for it to show up on your hair. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do for my curly hair routine. Is I use the mousse, the 2 styling creams, and this gel, and then I do the praying hands method and scrunch it up, and that is it. Okay, so now that I have all the product in my hair, I'm going to start with drying it. And I'm going to start off with this piece on my dryer first, just so I can get the roots of my hair, since that does take the longest to get dry. So now I'm going to switch over to this piece and I'm going to flip my head upside down because that helps with optimizing the volume of the results. So I flip my hair upside down and I diffuse it that way, just scrunching up every now and then, just holding it there. And I do this until I get it to about 80 to 90% dry. Alright, so here's the final result, and I loved how it turned out. My curls are nice and defined and fluffy, and since it's not all the way dry, I didn't pick it out or manipulate it too much. But once it does dry, I'll just pick it out and it'll become that much more bigger. I do have a little frizz, but that's okay. And yeah, and I loved how the color turned out too. But that's it, you all. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.